Use and care of hand lines. A hand line is used to make a lineman's work easier and more productive by providing an efficient and safe method to raise and lower materials. It is also a lifeline, allowing pole-top rescue to be accomplished quickly and safely. The materials used to manufacture hand-lined rope fall into two categories: natural fibers and synthetics. This video contains examples and demonstrations on how to install, use, and maintain hand lines. Safe work procedures by both the lineman and the groundman are also stressed. Components of a hand line. The sling and hook. The sling is connected to the hook using a braided knot and has an adjustable eye. It is generally made of a rope that is thicker and stronger than the load rope of the hand line. The pulley. This pulley is especially made for hand lines. It is made to fit the dimensions of the hand line rope. It has a hinged clasp that allows the pulley to be opened in order to remove the load rope when required. The third component is the hand line rope or load rope. Normally a half-inch rope is used that is constructed of either a natural fiber or a synthetic, usually nylon. Note: in order to successfully conduct a pole-top rescue, the hand line must be of sufficient strength and length to lower an injured lineman. Sufficient length of a hand line is usually considered 2 or more times the height of the pole. The two ends of the rope are joined together by a hook or clasp. Warning: hand lines should never be used to raise or lower heavy loads. Hand line inspection. This is a hand line that is recommended for use by linemen when working on the electrical distribution system. Start by inspecting the sling to make sure it is not worn or damaged. Then inspect the pulley. It should not be pitted or damaged. It should be clean and easy to roll. The hand line rope should be inspected closely to make sure that it is in good condition, without cuts or significant wear. Warning: if you detect any damage or wear in any of the hand line components, report it to your supervisor immediately. Attaching a hand line to a pole without a cross arm. When you arrive at the area where you will be working, wrap the sling once around the pole and secure it by inserting the adjustable eye of the sling into the hook. The clasp of the hook should be facing downward. Now, verify that the pulley is properly aligned with the pole. When this is done, check the pulley to make sure it is free of obstacles and rolls easily. Attaching a hand line to a pole with a cross arm. Use the same procedure as outlined for a pole without a cross arm. The only difference is that the hand line is attached to the cross arm. Wrap the sling once around the cross arm. Insert the eye into the hook and make sure it is secure. The hand line should be located at a sufficient distance from the pole to provide ample room for work between the hand line and the pole. Verify that the pulley is properly aligned with the pole and that it moves easily. Warning: always install the hand line in a position where you will have easy access to it. Make sure it is not attached or touching a conductor that might be energized. Position and function of the groundman. When a lineman is on a pole, the hand line and the groundman should be used to optimize his work. Teamwork is very important to the safety and productivity of a crew. The better a groundman and lineman work together, the more productive and efficient their efforts will be. A groundman should always hold onto the hand line unless told to do otherwise by the lineman. He should maintain a prudent, safe distance from the pole. Warning: For safety reasons, a groundman should always maintain the hand line away from the lineman as he conducts his work on the pole. A groundman should not stand directly under the work area because of the safety hazards this presents. Hard hats are also required for all crew members. Coordination between the lineman and the groundman. Good coordination between the lineman and the groundman should always be maintained. Effective teamwork guarantees that work is carried out safely and efficiently. For the safety of the lineman, a groundman should never use a hand line when the lineman is located between the pulley and the rope, or when the lineman is changing positions on the pole, or before the hand line is attached to the pole. Also, a hand line should never be tied to a vehicle. Method to raise and lower tools and materials. Large objects are best raised using knots, while smaller objects may require the use of the lineman's tool bag. Method to lower the hand line. When the lineman has finished his work, he should coordinate with the groundman in the following manner. First, he should inform the groundman that he is ready to lower the pulley. The groundman should confirm which fall line will be used to lower the pulley. Once established, the groundman retreats a few paces from the pole. He holds up the fall line to create a loop. This serves as a brake for the descending pulley. The loop should not touch the ground. This prevents impact damage to the pulley. When all is ready, the lineman releases the pulley, which drops from the pole without damage in a safe manner. The groundman notifies the lineman, who then drops the rope to the ground. Proper procedure for storage of a hand line. Lay the pulley on the ground and make sure it has sufficient slack. Coil the hand line in a manner demonstrated here. Once coiled, reach through the coil and wrap the hand line at least 3 times using the slack leading to the pulley. Then grab the rope near the pulley and pass the slack through the coil. Now, wrap the slack over the coil. The result is a knot that can be easily removed the next time the hand line is used. This configuration protects the hand line and allows it to be stored safely and easily in the service vehicle. Quality control. It is important that you check all of your work to make sure it has been done completely and correctly. Before descending the pole, make a final inspection of your work and the work of others who may have been on the pole prior to you. If you find problems that can't be remedied immediately, report them to your supervisor for future attention. In this program, you were presented the components of a hand line. How to inspect and use a hand line. How to attach a hand line to a pole with and without a crossarm. The safe working position of a groundman. And the teamwork that must exist between the lineman and the groundman in order to raise and lower objects quickly and safely. Quality work is the product of highly trained, skilled workers who are dedicated to doing the job right the first time. By observing the methods and procedures presented in this video, you will be able to safely produce high-quality work that will benefit your consumers for many years to come.